Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about human anatomy. What is human anatomy? Let's start with the simple definition. Anatomy is the branch of medical science which deals with the scientific study of structures of human body and relations among them. The word anatomy comes from the Greek word ana plus tomy. Ana means up and tomy means to cut or open. Basically, anatomy means dissection. Dissection is the action of cutting something open, especially a dead body, to study its internal organ. It simply means to separate into pieces. We study anatomy by dissecting a dead human body called cadaver. As we know, human body is a complex and highly organized structure where each and every part, whether it is a cell, organ or a gland, plays a precise role. So to understand anatomy, we must have the basic knowledge of human body. So let's begin with a simple example where we will compare human body to a building or a house. Do you know how is the human body similar to a house? Just like a house is made up of bricks and blocks, sand and cement, concrete, wood and timber, a human body is composed of 206 bones, 650 muscles, 79 organs, and numerous of blood vessels, which are approx 60,000 miles long. That's long enough to go around the world more than twice. Just as this house stays up with the beams and walls, the human body stays up with bones and muscles. So, beam of a house are like bones and muscles of our body. Skeleton is the framework of bones, just like frame of a house that is designed to hold everything together. Skeleton protect our organ from getting injured. Skin is the outer covering of our body, can be compared with the plaster of a house. And just as we have blood vessels and nerves for the supplying of blood to the organ and tissues of the body, buildings also have invisible pipeline network that keeps them alive. So a building's foundation is most like the human body. Knowledge of anatomy helps us to know about what structure is present, where is it present, what are the other structures passing there, for example, bones, organs, muscles, nerves, arteries, and veins. What is the purpose of anatomy? The subject focuses on all knowledge about structure, location, and organization of different parts of the body that is needed to truly understand physiology of human body, which is related to the normal function of all these structures. Anatomy is not only a subject in medical science, but it forms the firm foundation of whole art of medicine, as it teaches the students about the various parts of the body and describe where important organs are located inside our body. For example, a student will learn about the stomach is located in the upper abdomen on the left side of the body. Liver is present anteriorly and posteriorly, kidneys are present. In this way, by learning anatomy step by step, the students get a better understanding of the human body. Do you know who is the father of human anatomy? Endarius Vesalius is considered the father of modern human anatomy.